Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System section. In it, you need to click on About Phone. And finally, choose this pen icon next to your current device name. Then type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Luna. To save your name, click on Save at the bottom right corner of Edit Phone Name pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my LG has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!